Special counsel Jack Smith is not giving up, filing a new federal indictment in the election interference case against Donald Trump. Good evening, I'm Norah O'Donnell, and thank you for being with us. The former president is facing the same 4 charges for his efforts to overturn the 2020 election. But the special counsel tailored the allegations to, quote, respect and implement the Supreme Court's new immunity standard. Now, a big part of that came down to arguing what is an official act of the president versus a private one. And the timing is likely not coincidental. We are actually 70 days out from the election. Once we hit 60 days, the Justice Department has a rule that new charges will not be filed against a nominee or someone tied to a political campaign. CBS's Robert Costa has the revised indictment, and he brings us the breaking news.
The new indictment over Donald Trump's efforts to overturn the 2020 presidential election suddenly brings his conduct around the Capitol attack back to the fore of this year's intensifying race for the White House. The slimmed-down indictment from 45 pages to 36 pages still alleges Trump engaged in a conspiracy to hold on to power, and it comes in the wake of the Supreme Court ruling that presidents have broad immunity for official acts. It removed all the allegations concerning Trump's attempts to pressure the Justice Department into supporting his false claims that the election was rigged. One of the unnamed co-conspirators, who CBS News identified as Jeffrey Clark, a Trump loyalist within the DOJ, has been taken out of the new indictment. Trump has long claimed he did nothing wrong.
This is a persecution of a political opponent. This was never supposed to happen in America.
But still intact in the indictment, the charge he engaged in a conspiracy against the right to vote and have one's vote counted. Trump led sweeping efforts in the courts and then, when that failed, began to pressure officials in Congress and in states to help him, including Georgia's Republican Secretary of State Brad Raffensperger after Trump lost the state.
I just want to find 11,780 votes.
Raffensperger spoke to 60 Minutes in 2021.
He was asking us to recalibrate or recalculate, I believe it was, somehow get a different answer.
Trump's lawyers are expected to fight this.
President Trump's lawyers are going to say there is no indictment you can bring that does not involve the official action because former President Trump was in office at the time.
This is such a big development. Robert Costa joins us now. So what is the Trump team saying in response to this new indictment?
Norah, I just got off the phone with a source close to Trump's legal team. They say in the coming days, they are going to ask for more time to brief this case because of these new developments, which they expected. That means this could push a trial date past the election, or if the judge agrees to have the trial soon, Trump could appeal all the way to the Supreme Court.
The legal drama continues. Robert Costa, thank you very much.